Hey everybody, I'm Brett from our Overland Life, and I just wanted to show you real quick one of the kitchen solutions we did on the back of our Lexus LX 470, also a 100 series Land Cruiser. Let's check it out. Basically, we wanted to have enough room where we could have a box that easily comes in and out of the back. It attaches through the factory tie-down locations with connectors on the side. We found this box on Amazon. It already existed, but it wasn't enough for what we wanted for the space. It is a pretty handy setup. It's got a double drawer slide, and for the money, it was super affordable. 2 slides, comes out. It's got a sink in the back. And so with the sink back here, you're able to we used the 2.5 gallon jug with a spout on the bottom. We would just set it right here. It would work in the sink, wash hands, wash dishes, no problem at all. In the front up here is where it's set up to have a stove. And so what we did is we did a single burner stove that's good enough for pretty much everything we do. I added some magnets so we could actually take the stove in and out. If we got bacon, grease, something nasty, we can cook outside the vehicle and go ahead and put it back in when we're ready to go. I also built this additional box right here, so we've got extra storage for coffee materials, tea kettles, all that kind of stuff. It even has a spot drawer over here where you can put cooking utensils, spatulas, silverware, lighters, all that kind of stuff and go in there. It comes with a leg to go on the bottom, a support leg. This guy right here screws into the bottom side and then has an adjuster to it. It came with it. We don't ever actually use it. It's got plenty of stability when you're cooking. The drawer sides are strong enough. And I think the way that I mounted it into the box, it's much more rigid than if you were to just mount this in the back of your vehicle. To keep it in good shape and also to keep our equipment from sliding around and scratching the top, you got to close the drawer if you want to close it. We went ahead and took automotive carpeting, spray glued it down, stuck automotive carpeting on the top. We've got 4 tie-down straps as well, so we could put our fridge on there, put a battery cube in here. We've got plenty of power. We're able to run a fridge for a weekend of fun, charge off the car. Also on the side over here, carpeted it again. And it fits perfectly our Step 22 Stingray flat boxes. So we're able to put a couple of those in there for extra gear. And there's still plenty of room down both sides for chairs, other camping materials, things like that, with plenty of storage behind it for luggage or whatever you have. So super versatile. Like I said, it was a real basic setup with just the box. We built another box for it standard, and it can come out super easily. So I don't know, if you like it, ask more questions. Happy to answer them, get you some measurements, but a quick, easy solution, not super expensive, and it can really transform the back of a vehicle from a daily driver to a camper.